बेहद की परम शांति. Welcome to our channel Bapuji Deshrat Bhai Patel. Bapuji is explaining about Maharlok. Param Shanti. Now I will tell you about Maharlok of our solar system. Maharlok is above Swargalok. You know that deities in Swargalok are enjoyers. On completion of their virtuous accounts, they descend to the earth or to the lower plane like Bugurlok. There in Bugurlok, they do austerity and comes to Swargalok. Humans also reaches to Swargalok by doing good deeds. Most of the souls who are knowledgeable, they know that not to stay in Swargalok. So they directly comes to Maharlok. Formally, Maharlok is in 1 crore yojana. I am telling about the past things. Now everything was changed. Bugurlok is above Bhulok and it is in 1 lakh yojana. Swargalok is in 14 lakh yojana. Actually, Maharlok is called Mahalok. Mahalok is in 1 crore yojana. If we calculate 1 yojana nearly has 10 kilometers, then it is in 10 crore kilometers. So many souls comes to this Maharlok from Swargalok because they knows that if we stay for some time in Swargalok, then our virtuous accounts get finishes up. After that, we got to go deadly world. Some souls do austerity in this Maharlok. Not all souls. Some souls make spear-like and stays in those spears. 1,000 souls has a group, 5,000 souls has a group, 10,000 souls, 50,000 souls, 1 lakh souls has a group, 5 lakh souls has a group. They makes a spear-like and lives in that spear. So many small and big-sized spears are there in this Maharlok. And Maharlok was filled with so many souls previously. Here, souls lives like on earth. Very few souls do austerity and tries to go to above layers. If once soul came to this Maharlok, then it comes to know that nothing happened to him in Ardh Pralay or in Pralay or in Kalp Pralay. Because in Kalp Pralay, dissolution happens only up to Swargalok. In Kalp Pralay, only Bhulok, Bugurlok and Swargalok finishes up. And Maharlok will survive. The soul's subtle body in Maharlok will be better than in Swargalok. In Swargalok, the mind of souls will be in luxurious state. Here in this Maharlok, the state of mind will be good than in Swargalok. Here souls are not that much luxurious. Souls spends most of their time here in this Maharlok. So many souls tries to go to above layers by doing penance. Mostly, they lives as groups. Here everyone cooperates with others because they will have the knowledge in Maharlok. In Swargalok, souls lives luxurious lives because they don't have that much of knowledge. But here in Maharlok, they will have the complete knowledge of this solar system. They can go further only by doing a lot of austerity. Some souls intentionally stays here to roam around in Maharlok. Maharlok is very good dimension. Souls roams in their groups. Men's forms a group and women's forms a different group. Here men and women becomes friends. Here men's and women's won't have relation like husband and wife or they are not voluptuous. Mostly they do friendship. Every soul wishes to go to above layers. They also knows that they will have the lifespan up to Mahakalp Pralay. Mahakalp Pralay takes place after completion of 100 years of Brahma. They knows that their lifetime ends in Mahakalp Pralay, even if they reaches Janlok, Tapalok or Satyalok. At the end, all souls of this solar system ends up. They have that much of knowledge. Even though souls do penance, because their subtle body is better than deities in Swargalok and their mind is pure. According to the rule, once whose mind is pure, their body will be pure. Here, their subtle body is with three elements, that is air, fire and ether. Here, souls knows that we are safe up to Mahakalpa Pralay. So we can roam around, there are no problems in this Maharlok, so we can live happily. However, most of the souls goes to Taplok by doing austerity. The souls who came from far away distance, like from other galaxies and from other solar systems and universes, comes to this layer to visit Maharlok of our solar system. The souls who came from universes or galaxies don't know that if they go to Svargalok, they will fall down. So, the souls here in this Maharlok advises them not to go to Svargalok. If you go to Svargalok, you get stuck there in luxuries and you undergoes the burden of karmas and you will be drowned. Still, some souls don't listen to them. They goes to Svargalok on visit. Svargalok is luxurious place. Deities comes to earth and turns as humans after completing their virtuous accounts. But all deities doesn't turns completely as humans. Some of them do austerity in Bugurlok, which is upon Bhulok, and goes to Svargalok. Again they falls from Svargalok and do austerity here in Bugurlok and again reaches Svargalok. But they don't do further more penance because those souls are luxurious souls. They don't try to go to above planes. If any soul wants to comes to this Maharlok, they can come by doing austerity. Maharlok is very big with 1 crore yojana. If you want more details about this, read in my book Anantakoti Brahmandon Ka Mahakal Pralay and there is a video on it. Watch it. Param Shanti. बेहद की परम शांति।